look like me? Are you looking for him? No. What is your name? James. Is that correct? Your wife just told me that you came here to see me. Is that right, or he's just pulling my leg? Don't pull my leg. Pull something else. I'm just kidding. Is it true?
That's true.
Why? Why are you looking forward to seeing me?
When I live in the Philippines, I really enjoy the show you.
So you watch Showtime all the time?
Yeah, when I move.
Every day?
Yes.
That's not true. We don't air on Sundays. We only air 6 days a week. How can you tell me that you watch Showtime all week? All days of the week? That's okay. You watch Showtime every day. So do you see, do you know Ann Curtis?
Yes.
She's one of the ugliest personalities in the Philippines. One of the ugliest faces. Oh my God. If you get to see her in person, the skin is so awful. Oh my God. Yeah, and she smells so bad. No, I'm just kidding. Ann Curtis is my sister and she's a wonderful, beautiful human being. Yeah. So, how old are you? Ate, pa-picture ka na pa-picture. Ano ako bakit pa? Nakita mo na ikaw usap ko, di ba? Tapos pa-picture na, di ba ako tulis pa? Okay. What? Thank you very much, but I cannot return the love. You're a woman. I'm sorry, I don't eat seafoods. I only eat century eggs. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I'll give you like this. Thank you very much. How long have you been together?
I love you guys.
Since 2013. 2013. 25 minus 13. 12 years. You've been together for 12 years. How was it?
Amazing.
Amazing so far. So, how was your life? Very active? What part of your married life is very active? Everything. Oh my goodness. Can I join the activity? You know, just once a week. No. Yeah, so thank you very much for taking care of my my fellow Filipina here. And yes, sincerely, honestly, I would like to congratulate you because marrying a Filipina is the best choice, best decision that you have ever made in your life. The Filipinos make the best wives in the whole world. Filipinos are very hospitable. And once you have sex with them, you go straight to the hospital. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Okay.
Why is my bata?
Why are you wearing glasses? I want to see your beautiful eyes. Oh my God! Amazing. You have 2 eyes. Yeah, just like me. Awesome. All right. Okay. Nice to meet you. Okay.